All right, hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing this electric standing desk that I've actually been using for over the past year. And let me tell you, it is a game changer for working at home. So I've actually been wanting a desk that lets me switch between sitting and standing, especially after spending so many hours at the computer. I've been struggling with back pain also from sitting all day, so I needed something that would help me stay active and move throughout the day. This electric desk has so many features that make working from home so much more comfortable and productive. First up, the electric height adjustment. You can set this desk anywhere from 28 inches to 46 using the memory preset controller. I have it set at the perfect standing height and can switch from sitting mode to standing with just the press of a button. Even at its highest height, it stays steady and holds up to 208 pounds. When it comes to the design and build, I think that it is the most sleek, minimalist design that doesn't just function well, but also looks great in my office space. This desk was actually surprisingly easy to set up. It came with clear instructions and all the tools needed. I actually had it up and running in under an hour. After using this desk for over a year now, I've noticed a huge difference in how I feel at the end of my workday. I think that this desk is ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade their home office and improve their posture by alternating between sitting and standing. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.